Today, we're focusing on a small yet crucial part of your car's engine system, the fuel filter. While it might not get much attention, the fuel filter is a silent protector, ensuring your engine runs smoothly by filtering out dirt, rust, and other contaminants from the fuel. Without it, these particles can clog fuel injectors, disrupt combustion, and cause serious damage over time. In this video, we'll break down what a fuel filter is, how does it protect the engine, and why maintaining it is essential for your car's health. We'll also touch on the signs of a bad or clogged filter, and why timely replacement is a must to keep your vehicle performing at its best. So if you've ever wondered how a small filter can make such a big difference, stay tuned as we dive into the details. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. A fuel filter is a device designed to screen out dirt, rust, and other contaminants from the fuel before it enters the engine. Typically made of filter paper or a fine mesh, it's housed within a casing that sits along the fuel line. This relatively simple component might seem unremarkable, but its role is vital. Modern engines, especially those with advanced fuel injection systems, require an ultra-clean fuel supply to operate at peak performance. Even the smallest debris or impurities in the fuel can disrupt combustion, impair fuel efficiency, or even cause significant engine damage over time. The location of the fuel filter can vary depending on the vehicle. In some cases, it's placed inside the fuel tank, while in others it's installed along the fuel line or near the engine bay. This placement ensures that fuel is filtered before reaching the sensitive fuel injectors, which are engineered with incredibly fine tolerances. Now that you know what a fuel filter is and where it's typically located, let's dive into how it functions. Fuel, whether gasoline or diesel, is rarely as clean as we'd like to believe. During the extraction, refining, and transportation process, fuel can accumulate various contaminants. Additionally, the fuel tank itself can corrode over time, introducing rust particles into the fuel supply. This is where the fuel filter becomes essential. When fuel flows through the filter media captures and holds back particles, allowing only clean fuel to pass through. The filter's design, whether made of synthetic fibers, cellulose, or a combination of both, is critical in determining what size particles it can trap. High-quality fuel filters can block contaminants as small as 10 microns, about 1/5 the diameter of a human hair. This meticulous filtration process prevents unwanted particles from entering the fuel injectors and combustion chamber. If these particles were to bypass the filter and enter the engine, they could clog the fuel injectors, disrupt fuel spray patterns, or even lead to severe engine wear and tear. In short, the fuel filter acts as a crucial gatekeeper, ensuring that the fuel reaching the engine is free from harmful debris. The engine is essentially a complex orchestra of moving parts working together under precise conditions. For an internal combustion engine, the proper air-fuel mixture is critical for efficient combustion. If debris or contaminants clog the fuel injectors, they can restrict the flow of fuel, disrupt this delicate mixture, and result in incomplete combustion. This, in turn, can cause the engine to misfire, lose power, or experience a significant drop in fuel efficiency. Moreover, unburned fuel can increase exhaust emissions, which is detrimental not just to your vehicle's performance, but to the environment as well. Contaminants that make their way past a faulty or old fuel filter can also scratch or erode engine surfaces over time. Imagine tiny particles of rust or dirt circulating through the system at high speed. These abrasive particles can grind against metal surfaces and cause damage to components like the pistons and cylinder walls. Such damage is often expensive to repair and can significantly shorten the engine's lifespan. Over time, like any other filter, the fuel filter can become clogged. When this happens, the flow of fuel to the engine is restricted. This can manifest in various ways, such as difficulty starting the vehicle, reduced acceleration, or a noticeable drop in fuel economy. In severe cases, a completely clogged fuel filter can prevent the engine from starting altogether. Other signs of a failing fuel filter include the engine stalling or sputtering, particularly when driving at higher speeds. This is because the fuel flow cannot keep up with the engine's demands. Drivers may also experience issues like erratic idling or hesitation when pressing on the gas pedal. While these symptoms could be linked to other fuel system problems, they often point to a clogged or failing fuel filter. Routine maintenance is essential for the fuel filter to perform its job efficiently. Most automakers recommend replacing the fuel filter every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, though this can vary based on the make and model of the vehicle and the quality of the fuel being used. Driving conditions also play a role. For instance, if you often drive in dusty or less maintained areas, your fuel filter might need replacing more frequently. Failing to replace an old or clogged fuel filter can have a domino effect. Once a filter becomes too obstructed, it can put additional stress on the fuel pump, forcing it to work harder to push fuel through. This can accelerate wear and lead to premature fuel pump failure, an issue that's far more costly than simply replacing a fuel filter. The fuel filter is an often underappreciated yet essential part of your vehicle's engine system. It ensures that clean fuel reaches your engine, protecting the fuel injectors, preserving the combustion process, and safeguarding the engine's intricate components from damaging contaminants. Regularly replacing the fuel filter as part of your maintenance routine can not only enhance your vehicle's performance, but also extend its overall lifespan. So, next time you think about car maintenance, don't overlook this small but mighty component. A clean fuel filter is a direct investment in the longevity and reliability of your engine. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.